Are you still wasting hours just trying to get a single document signed? Think about how it usually goes. You print the paper, you scan it, you email it, and then you wait. Sometimes the other person doesn't even see it in their inbox. Sometimes they forget to print it themselves. Days go by, and a simple signature ends up wasting hours of your time and slowing everything down. And even when you try to move to digital solutions, it's not always better. Some platforms are so expensive that you wonder if it's even worth it. Others feel complicated, filled with features you don't actually need, and it takes hours just to figure out how to send one document. Or worse, you sign up, only to realize the tool forces you into a free trial that runs out in a week. And then you're locked into a pricey subscription you didn't want in the first place. It doesn't have to be this way. What if sending a document for signature could be as easy as uploading a file, typing in an email address, and hitting send? No hidden fees, no confusing setup, and no endless waiting. That's exactly what SignWell was built for. SignWell is an online platform that makes electronic signatures fast, easy, and reliable. You don't need to download anything. You don't need to install bulky software. Everything works right in your browser. You simply drag and drop your document. Place the signature fields where you want them, and with one click it's on its way. Here's why so many people love using SignWell. First, it's free to get started. You can send legally binding signature requests without paying anything. That is perfect if you're a freelancer who just needs a contract signed every now and then, or if you're running a small business and don't want to spend hundreds of dollars on tools you barely use. Second, the interface is incredibly simple. You don't need to sit through long tutorials or watch endless setup videos. In fact, most people can send their very first document for signature within minutes of creating an account. That means no wasted time and no frustration. Third, SignWell gives you peace of mind by letting you track the progress of your document. You'll know exactly when your file has been opened, viewed, and signed. There's no guessing. No wondering if your client actually received it. You can see it all in real time. Fourth, if you find yourself sending the same contracts or agreements again and again, SignWell lets you save them as templates. That way, the next time you need to send a similar document, you don't have to start from scratch. It's all right there, ready to go, and you save even more time. And finally, every signature collected through SignWell is secure and legally binding. Each request includes an audit trail that meets international e-signature standards. So whether you're sending a business contract, a freelance agreement, or even a personal document, you can be confident that it will hold up. But here's the part I love most. Unlike many other tools, SignWell offers a free plan that actually works. You don't need a credit card to get started. You don't have to worry about a trial that suddenly expires and locks you out. You can simply create an account today and immediately start sending documents for signature. It's that straightforward. So ask yourself this: how much time have you already wasted printing, scanning, chasing down signatures, or trying to make sense of clunky software? How many hours could you get back if signing a document was no longer a problem? If you're tired of the hassle, tired of the delays, and tired of overpriced tools, then it's time to try SignWell. Click the link in the description below, create your free account, and start sending documents to be signed in just minutes with SignWell. The headache of signatures disappears. No more stress, no more waiting. Just a simple, secure, and reliable way to get documents signed anytime, anywhere.